Hi everybody, Rita here with G Marie Scrap Shack. Real quick, I'm going to show how I do the doily imprints with my coffee staining. I take today's coffee. It's already 4:30 p.m. This is from this morning. That was what's left over. I pour it in a dish. Sometimes I'll microwave it just to get it hot, but today I'm not going to do that because I only have one hand since I'm using my phone. That's all I do. Pour it in there. I add a teaspoon of vanilla. Sometimes I add cinnamon. And I just whisk it up really good. Right now I'm not going to do it just because I've only got the one hand. These are the doilies I'm talking about. I got them in the 99-cent bin at Michael's years ago, and I just keep reusing them. These are my favorite. I can't find them. I love them for the imprints that they leave on them. But you can use any doily. This one's been coffee stained before. This is like a die cut scrapbook paper. This is a fresh doily, paper doily. They all work. It's just that this one right here works the best. And I'm going to show you how I do it. So I take a regular piece of, I buy 28-pound coffee paper. And I just dip it in the coffee. Now, I normally wear gloves. I even brought the gloves, but right now I don't have them on. So this is what I do. I use these oven foil liners is what they are, and I get them at the 99-cent store. And as you can tell, I have a big old pile of them. And I like them because you can use these like cookie sheets. I just dip the paper, let it drip for a couple of seconds, and then I put it on the liner. I like these liners because you can fit 2 to a page. I'm going to put that one there. I'm going to dip some stationery paper that I got at Hobby Lobby of my favorite little girls. Everybody loves this paper, and I still have a big stack of it because it was a whole notebook. I just keep reusing them. I love them. Just dip it in the coffee. Like I said, if you don't want it to smell like coffee, you could always add cinnamon or vanilla. I dip the doily. Any doily will do. Sometimes I put it on half and half. This is my favorite one, so I'm going to dip it, get it wet. Just like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. And I just lay it on the paper. Anywhere is fine. You can kind of see where that's already shining through. These have a little ridge on them, so it leaves dots on the paper. And that's all I do. I just do that. I set the oven for 350. I set my timer for 4 minutes. Press start. Stick it in the oven. I have 3 racks in here because I usually do 3 at a time. That one's on the bottom. I already set the timer for that one. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple more just to show you. Piece of stationery in the coffee. You can leave them or you can take it right out. Either way, it's going to turn brown. It don't matter to me. I usually just dip it once, throw it on there. This is graph paper, and it's a big old long one. So I got to dip it half and half. No big deal. These usually turn blue because the ink comes off the paper really easy, and it gets all over the darn place, but that's okay. I'm going to put it right on top of that one. It'll probably turn that paper blue, and that's fine with me. Dip the doily, just get the back side, or do both sides. They're kind of flimsy, so it doesn't matter how they lay out, but if you like it flat, here's a new one. My asthma's acting up, so if I sound like I can't breathe, it's true, I can't. Doing this one-handed is not very much fun, but I'm going to leave that the way it is. It's fine. It's no big deal if it's folded over. It don't have to be perfect. It kind of leaves a really cool impression anyway. I'm going to throw that one in on the second one.